Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle, don't look so blue. Cut the cake, let's celebrate. Let's just hope you're not a mistake. Maybe the nurse forgot your birth and picked a random date. So this birthday could be fake. Happy birthday to you. Look, your mom and dad don't resemble you. Happy birthday to you. I hope you didn't mind, am I too rude? Happy birthday to you. I'm your best friend, so I'm concerned how facts can be construed. What if they lied to you?
Shut up!
What did I think? I'm just blurting out the truth, man. These things happen all the time, I'm telling you.
Get out!
Oops. Okay, I'm leaving.